my god. What are you talking about, dude? I hate Streamlabs. I'm gonna switch to something else. This has been just a pain in the ass. Alright, sorry. What I was supposed to show you, after all of that code, we finally got it working. Um, man. Alright. So, you're gonna see the proper weapon show up in the player's hand. Okay? And that's the one that we should have equipped right now. Right? Because if I go to here, you see that we have the regular sword. Okay? Now, I'm going to equip the fire sword. Alright? And then boom. We have the fire sword now. I think even it has effects on it. Maybe not. Okay, it doesn't have any stats on it yet. But the mechanic is there. We're properly switching out our weapon now in the right hand. See? Cool. Cool. I gotta fix that effect there. I might get rid of it. Okay, sorry about that. I started the stream just so I could show you that. Let's look at a different scene, something that's more intense. You can see it for real. Let's go revamped. Oh crap. Weapon home. Fuck. Alright, let me go back to... We're just not gonna do that. Alright, I'd love to show you, but I have to go into that scene and set it up all over again. I don't think I can reconnect this. Maybe I can. Reconnect prepad. What was this, players? Sorry, I have bad knees and it hurts a lot. Alright, I recommitted the player. God, that probably broke everything. So where's the player at? Just make sure that this is set up. It's not. Man. Why is it not set up? Hold on. Come here. Here we go. Apply all. All right. Revamped. Save. Okay, we're good. All right. But we got to go to the inventory manager first and assign that holder. Yeah, so where's the inventory? Right here. Weapon holder. Right here. Dude, right here. Okay. Okay. All right, we should be good now. I should load with um, the regular sword, I think. I think that was the last one I landed on. I use dictionaries because it's accurate. Oops, gonna have to turn that off. Sorry, I have to turn that off. I have to turn off the music, I forgot. Audio manager. We do not want background music right now. We do not. We do not want it. I'm sorry. I'd love to use it, but I don't want this stream to get turned off. Come on, man. Okay, but okay. All right. The fire sword is in his hand, right? I can see that. Let's look at the inventory. What? The memory got wiped again? Why does it keep doing that? I need to figure that out, man. My memory keeps getting wiped. Not great. We'll do fire sword here. I need 2 items here. Let me get the regular sword and let me get the healing flask. Yeah. Turn that on. Okay. He zipped over here because I have a checkpoints in this level. Alright. So that's there. Wait, what? Okay, everything's fine. Everything's fine except, what the fuck? Everything's not fine. Okay. We're gonna do that. We'll save that. That should have saved it. Alright, zero that out. Dude. What? I don't get it. I don't know why it's doing this. It keeps rewriting the data. I don't know why. And my items are not loading. Equipment's loading. What? Oh my gosh. It's because the stack size is 0. It needs to be at least 1. Sorry. That's why. That's why. That needs to be at least 1. The stack size needs to be 1. Yeah. And there it is. Okay. Turn that off. And 0 this back out. When the game is exported, it shouldn't be doing those data wipes like that. Okay, it saved properly this time. Now we can test it again. Now he rotates kind of weird because his rotation is based on the the normal angle from the ground, so I need to work on that. Anyhow, but look, see, we have regular sword equipped, right? And if we switch to fire sword, that is weird. Oh. Oh no. What? Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Oh, that's weird. It worked in the other scene, but it doesn't work in this scene. I can't wait to find out why. Oh my goodness. I wonder what is going on here, dude. What is... Dude. Oh. I mean, it'll load the weapon, but it's not turning off the prior one. And, what the heck? Let's see. Oof. I would really like to understand what the crap is happening. Like, in this scene, it works. And then in this scene, it doesn't work. So why? But why, though? What? Broke. It worked here. No, sir. Okay. Oh man, this is gonna take some debugging. Like it is loading the weapon, but it's not loading the. It's not deleting the weapon beforehand. But it did there. That will probably happen if there's duplicates in this list. Which there isn't. Oh my gosh, man. It was working earlier. I don't know how it broke. What? What? That's aggravating, man. See, it worked. And then it doesn't work. What changed? What changed? Oh boy. I love debugging. It's the best. I hate that, dude. Like, what could have possibly happened? All right, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna debug this um, outside of the stream, and then I'll come back and I'll tell y'all why it was happening. So, but we're on our way. It was working. Now it's not working. I don't know why. Yeah, I need my system to move faster so I can find out exactly what's happening. Where is the game window? Oh, here it is. Yeah, oh man, I don't get it. Okay. Now, when I switch to the regular sword, it's working just fine. Maybe I didn't see this at first. When I switched to the fire sword. Nope. I have an idea. we're gonna... This is pointless, I think. Because we have a reference to old equipment too. This should have done it. I don't get why it's not doing it. A loop within a loop? Yeah, no, we're not doing that. Okay, well, activate. Let's activate the item. No. No, no, no. Dude, this is... Man. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute for me to think about this. Because this should just do it. Here's what I think we can do. Once this is set to active, then we're gonna loop. Then we're gonna loop and turn... Oh no. Actually, yeah, what we'll do is when we found the match, then we'll loop through and turn everything off. And then we will turn it on. Okay? So it's a loop within a loop. Watch us break everything. Ugh, I love debugging logic. It's the best. It's not confusing at all. It's not at all confusing trying to find out logical. Okay, logical bugs are the worst because you really have to like try to understand, why you're not getting the result that you want. Still not working. But it works there. But when I do this, oops, when I do this, it does not fucking deactivate the old sword, dude. Tell me I'm crazy. Like, what? Wait a second. You're saying the regular sword is not active. What is this? Then what is this? Alright, hold on. Hold up now. Oh my gosh, dude. That That's hilarious, dude. Here's the problem. We're gonna delete that. The problem was I had another copy of that regular sword in the dude's hand, so it always looked like the code wasn't working. Um, it should be working properly now. That is aggravating. It's because I knew it. It's because I applied that prefab connection, and it put the sword back in his hand. So now you see the fire sword without the regular sword, right? Okay, great. We're gonna switch now to regular sword. Boom. Do it again just to be safe. Boom. Okay. That's so dumb. All right, let's go back to that outside scene. Make sure it's working there too. That's why, dude. Ugh, it's always something stupid. It's always something like. But see, that's a logical bug, right? Like, obviously, I know the logic should be working the way it does. It works the way I just with the change I just made, just probably a little bit more efficiently. Um, like the second loop won't trigger unless a match is found, which is probably better. Um, come on, man. Come on. He's jittering like that because he's standing right on top of this awkward shape. Yeah. Is that? Oh, I didn't make that change here. Okay. There you go. There you have it. Ooh, man, I was about to have a heart attack. Like, why? Like, I know this logic makes sense. It should be working. You know? Life for a programmer is stressful, man. Especially when you have like a looming deadline. Your boss is like, "Oh, I hope this works by this time." There. So it's there you go. Just as expected. And we got the fire sword loaded. Yep, fire sword. Switch to regular sword. Boom. We got weapon switching. Weapon switching is working. Um, yeah. Next time I'll add two more swords in there to really show you that it's working. But it's working. It's working. Um, here, we'll do this. Let's do ice sword for this one. Ice sword. Okay. And for this, here, let's turn these off. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Okay. For you, we're gonna change your material to this. Oh, here you go. We'll do this. What are you doing, man? Okay. That's our ice sword, right? What the heck did you just do, man? Okay. Let's turn these bad boys back on. Okay. So now I'm going to go into my data and we're going to add ice sword. Ice. Sword. Okay. You are ice. And ice. Okay. Yep. Let's go. Let's go into our inventory and let's add that to our loaded items so that we can load ice sword. Huh. Weird. Ideally, I just go around and pick up these items, but I don't feel like placing them around the scene and doing that right now. This is my little hack for it. Hmm. Oh God. I made the same mistake again. One of these and one of these. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. And it loaded two fire swords because I had one to begin with. It's good. All right, we got our inventory updated. Let's go ahead and reset that loaded stuff so it doesn't keep adding stuff. All right, inventory is updated. Let's test again. Final test, guys. Here we go. Final test. Well, I'll test one more time after this just to make sure the correct weapon is loaded. Okay, so let's run over here. I got the regular sword equipped right now. All right. Um, oh shit. What? What? Hold up 1 second. Equipment. Okay. Oh. Um. What? No, 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 no. Hmm. Because it's a duplicate, it's probably just acting stupid. Let's just delete this real quick. That's not great. Yeah, go ahead. Just give me a second here. Let me set this up. Data, equipment, um, ice, sword. You will be equipment. The name is ice sword. Let's see. Do we have anything ice? There you go. Equipment type is weapon. Yeah. Yes. Item effects. Let's just give it a damage level of 5 for now. I'm not going to do any ice sword stat changing. I don't feel like it. Okay. Now go back here. I should just be able to add an ice sword. And give me one of them. Okay. Okay, great. Just need to make sure that item's even... Okay, there it is. Alright, let me clear out the inventory real quick. Okay. Okay. What the fuck? Yo, what is happening? He didn't save the ice sword. Why not? Alright, man. I'm tired of playing this game. Let's just set it all up here. Okay. Weird. I'm gonna have to find a better way to save the inventory. Like a copy of it. Why isn't it... What the heck? Why is my ice sword not working? I don't understand. It's always something, man. It's always something. Okay, let's just... Here, we're gonna test it here. I'll figure out the saving thing later. But here, just... You'll see. Okay, come over here. Come over here. Alright. And it's still not there. What the hell? I could have swore. What? Dude, this is crazy. I'm a little worried why my ice sword won't populate. That doesn't make any sense. Oh my god. Oh boy. There's so many steps I have to go through. I forgot to add it to the database. Okay. Alright, it's gonna work properly now. It'll save properly. I'm sorry, guys. There's so many steps that I forgot when I set up this project. Like, a lot of things are not automatic, okay? Like, I'm managing all this data. You gotta, like, I can imagine why the Dark Souls people have a hard job. Okay, there you go. It's in there. Let's reset this now. Yeah, see, I needed it in the item database, or else it can't find it and load it. We're all learning together. This has helped me really stay on top of how this project is supposed to work. Hello? The only reason this weird effect is happening is because of the skybox material. It's not meant to be a skybox material. So a bunch of weird shit's happening. Alright, you can see the regular sword in his hand, right? So, okay, we're going to switch to the fire sword. Alright, boom. Alright, fire sword is loaded. There it is, fire sword. Let's switch to the ice sword now. Boom. What? Ice sword, boom. And here you... Type is not a supported... What? Huh? Oh, what are you talking about, dude? Array.data 2 has disappeared. I have no idea what you're talking about. That's another thing I'm gonna have to debug. But look though, it loaded the right weapon this time. Yeah, see, we have our ice sword in hand. Fire sword, loaded. Regular sword, loaded. Regular sword, loaded. Ice sword. Why? Huh? And I didn't get the error that time. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it was cleaning up some data. Let's, Man, I really hate the slowness of what's happening right now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Why am I not flying? Okay. It's because the computer's so freaking slow, he can't really get in the air right now. It's just being extremely inefficient. Come on, man. Okay. 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 I don't have a mouse at the moment, so. Alright, let's. Oh my god, here we go. And just to be certain, switch to regular sword. And yep. And yes, we have the regular sword in hand. Switch to Ice Sword. Boom, Ice Sword. Switch to Fire Sword. Fire Sword. Okay, it's working. It's working. I don't know. We were just cleaning up some data. So we did it. Congratulations, guys. We fucking did it. Oh my goodness, dude. Made change to loop iterations. Nested loop triggers when match is found by dictionary key. We did it, guys. We got the weapon switching. Alright. Weird bugs. Okay, if you look at my last stream, my code is up there. If anybody's got questions, you can hit me up on Discord. Here's my Discord username. I don't think it's case sensitive, but that's my Discord. Just to be certain, let's look at my Discord. Which is what I would say if I had it on here. I thought I did. Well, it's on my phone. Let me check. Yeah. Yeah, this is me, guys, if you want to hit me up on Discord. Alright? Alright. I'm done.